All right, here we come to the elevator at the Medical Supply Strip Mall facility in Sugar Land, Texas, which this was originally called the Mutual Fund Store. Here's the address right there. And normally I don't get too excited over a Schindler 330A because I've already seen dozens of times, but this is going to be an updated take on this elevator. If you guys have watched me for a very long time, you might recognize this elevator. So let's ride. Here we go. Oh my gosh, the chime doesn't sound good than it did before. Listen to how sick the sound chimes now. Go for one more ride. Door disease. Yeah, that chime obviously does not sound too good now. I think the last take I did on this thing was, I believe, 2014-ish, so it's literally been exactly a decade long. I believe the chime is down there. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and get off in the video. There's nothing too exciting of this, so I'm not going to spend too much time, but just thought I'd get an updated take on this elevator. I'll let you listen to the up chime. Watch it close. Door disease, yeah. All right, there it goes, and this thing could use a little bit of work. They gotta fix the chime and a minor issue on the door. But anyways, you see that right there is Highway US 59, and that over there is Sugar Land Town Square. So that being said, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.